I'll guide you through using Cash App on Amazon without getting your payment declined or missing out on the 2026 Instant Boost discounts. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Open Cash App and tap the card icon to view your virtual cash card details, which you can use for Amazon purchases even before your physical card arrives in the mail. Navigate to Your Payments in the Amazon app or website, then select Add a Payment Method to enter your Cash App card's 16-digit number, expiry date, and CVV. Select Cash App Pay at the Amazon checkout screen if you prefer a cardless experience, which lets you authorize the transaction by scanning a QR code or being redirected to your Cash App. Ensure you have enough funds in your balance to cover the full purchase price, plus a small buffer, as Amazon often places a temporary pre-authorization hold that can cause a decline if your balance is too low. Activate the Amazon Boost in the Cash App Boosts tab before you finalize your order to receive an instant percentage of cash back directly into your account balance. Within the Cash App Discover tab, check for the Pay Over Time option if you want to use the Afterpay integration to split your Amazon total into 4 interest-free payments. Verify your routing and account numbers in the Money tab of Cash App if you want to link your balance to Amazon as a direct bank account instead of using a debit card. Link your Cash Card to your phone's digital wallet so you can quickly use Apple Pay or Google Pay during the Amazon mobile checkout process for added security. Confirm that your billing address on Amazon matches the zip code you provided to Cash App during your card activation to prevent security flags and transaction delays. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.